Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rekha Devi and I am a PhD scholar in the Department of Library and Information Science, University of Delhi. From the title of the video, you might got an idea that why we are here. Today I am going to talk about SPSS, which is a world's leading statistical software. Today's video is divided into two parts. First part will cover the brief introduction and history about SPSS, and second part will cover how to download and install IBM SPSS Statistics 28 trial version on Windows. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, let's know what a statistical software is. Statistical softwares are the programs which are used for the statistical analysis of the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. To assist the researcher in quantitative data analysis, there are various statistical softwares available for computerized statistical data analysis. They are of great help when analyzing large quantities of data. Some of them are available in the open source, while others are paid softwares. SPSS is most commonly used statistical software, which stands for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. It is commercial software and first launched in 1968. Its developers are Norman H. Nee, Dale H. Bent, C. Hedley Hull. It was acquired by IBM in 2009, and since then it's officially known as IBM SPSS Statistics. Its latest version is 28.0, which released on 25th May 2021. It is used to solve business and research problems by using ad hoc analysis, hypothesis testing, and predictive analytics. It is a software for editing and analyzing all sorts of data. It is a comprehensive and flexible statistical analysis and data management solution. It is used for survey authoring, data mining, text analytics, statistical analysis, collaboration, and deployment. It can be used to generate tabulated reports, charts, and plots of distribution and trends, descriptive statistics, and conduct complex statistical analysis. It is compatible with Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac operating systems. SPSS can open all file formats that are commonly used for structured data, such as spreadsheets from MS Excel, plain text files, stata, and essays. Now, coming to the second part of the video, let's learn how to download and install IBM SPSS Statistics 28 version on Windows. IBM SPSS software is available for a free trial from IBM website for 30 days. You can download the software from there and practice on it. So to download the software, go to the Google and type IBM SPSS Statistics download. Click on the first link, SPSS Trials. For getting started with a free IBM SPSS trial, click on Try SPSS Statistics for free. Now it will ask you to create your free trial account for downloading IBM SPSS software. After providing few details, you will get a confirmation on your email ID, which you are required to provide here to complete the account creation. After successfully completing creating your account, you will get an email from IBM which says that your IBM subscription is ready to use, where you can check the details of your trial period. Then after login, it will take you to the download page, as you can see here. So depending upon your operating system, whether you are working with Windows or Mac operating system, you can download it. In my case, the operating system is 64-bit operating system. So depending upon your operating system, make the right choice. So it's a big file of 840 MB. Depending upon the speed of your internet, it will take some time. As you can see, now we have finished downloading the SPSS software. Now let's learn how to install IBM Spss Statistics 28 version software. To install the software located in your computer, you just need to right click over it and run as administrator. So we are installing the Spss 28 version. So it will ask you to proceed ahead. So then click on next. Then you have to accept the license agreement. So click on next again. This is the destination folder where the files are being stored. Take note of it to know where your file is located. So our Spss 28 version is being installed here. So click on next and click on install. So the installation has started. It may take a few moments. So the installation has finished. Now it's asking us to start IBM Spss Statistics. So let's click on finish and start the software. The software is starting. We can see it's version 28. Here we have two options, whether you want to log in with IBM ID for trial version or launch the license wizard. So currently we are looking to try the software. We'll go with the login IBM ID and password. You can see it's giving us access for the 30 days and screen says you have 30 days left in your trial. So this dialog box is handy, but every time when you start the software, it's a little bit annoying. So what you can do, if you don't want to see the screen again in the future, so just click on this checkbox below at the bottom of the page, which says that don't show the dialog box in future, which will make it disappear for the next time. So this is the interface of the IBM Spss Statistics 28 version. So in the coming videos, we'll learn more about various features of Spss. I hope this video will be helpful for the beginners who want to learn and how to download and install Spss. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section below your feedback for improvement. Thanks for watching.